Introducing Chocolate Secrets Fraico. A Fraico is a cold dessert made by pouring fruit syrup over a paper cone or paper cup full of shaved ice. Often several flavors are combined to visual and culinary delight. The tropical heat of the Caribbean guarantees the ubiquitous presence of the island Fraico. The strawberry is a widely grown hybrid species of the genus Fragaria. Collectively known as strawberries, they are cultivated worldwide for their fruit. The fruit is widely appreciated for its characteristic aroma, bright red color, juicy texture, and sweetness. It is consumed in large quantities, either fresh or in prepared foods such as jam, juice, pies, ice cream, milkshakes, and chocolates. The coconut tree is a member of the palm tree family and the only living species of the genus Cocos. The term coconut can refer to the whole coconut palm, the seed, or the fruit, which botanically is a drupe, not a nut. The name comes from the old Portuguese word coco, meaning head or skull, after the three indentations on the coconut shell that resemble facial features. They are ubiquitous in coastal tropical regions and are a cultural icon of the tropics. A mango is an edible stone fruit produced by the tropical tree Mangifera indica, which is believed to have originated from the region between northwestern Myanmar, Bangladesh, and northeastern India. Worldwide, there are several hundred cultivars of mango. Depending on the cultivar, mango fruit varies in size, shape, sweetness, skin color, and flesh color, which may be pale yellow, gold, green, or orange. Historians believe the first snow cones were created in 1919 by Samuel Burt at the State Fair of Texas. Burt is known to have invented an ice-crushing machine in 1920 as well. Still others point to Ernest Hansen from New Orleans, who patented the first block-style ice shaving machine in 1934. In the 1850s, the American Industrial Revolution made ice commercially available in the United States. Ice houses in New York would commonly sell ice to states like Florida. To transport the ice houses would send a wagon with a huge block of ice south. The route would pass right through Baltimore, where children would run up to the wagon and ask for a small scraping of the ice. By the 1870s, the snowball's popularity had risen to the degree that in the warm summer months, theaters would sell snowballs to keep their patrons cool. Because of this association with the theater, snowballs were thought to be an upper-class commodity. Signs in theaters instructing patrons to finish their snowballs before coming into the second act are the earliest tangible evidence of snowballs. Chocolate Secrets Fraicos are made without artificial flavors or preservatives, using all organic ingredients. Made by hand and inspired by the Fraicos of St. Croix, they are the perfect treat to beat the heat.